Hello, I'm Fliss Bennée, or Fliss, and I'm the Head of Data at Public Health Wales. So when I worked for the UK Civil Service in GDS, and we had the service standards that we worked towards, it was a really useful opportunity to sit down and say at the end of each phase of development, actually, are we meeting the needs of the users that we've identified? Is this on the right track? Is what we're going to deliver actually going to be able to be evaluated? And in Wales, the CDPS has done an update for the Welsh Digital Service Standards. So I reached out to Peter and asked if there was a service standard assessment we could use. And I was sent the retro board, which is called the Digital Service Standard Review. And I took several of my projects through at the end of Discovery and 2 through at the end of Alpha, so that we could assess where we were and have a look to see where our weaknesses were to learn lessons for the next phases. Well, having identified the areas that we were weakest, we thought during our discoveries, as I go through to Alpha and Beta, I'm making sure, as I did previously, that my tenders understand that part of the requirement for further activity is to meet the service standards in assessment at the end of each phase. And we're going to take the areas that we were weakest at and make sure we spend more time concentrating on why it was that we didn't feel we met those. The ones that we were really good at, again, we're going to highlight the things that we thought worked really well and try and do more of it. We think there's an opportunity really to make these sorts of assessments our own, but we appreciate that standardizing them enough that they can be a good assurance is the best way for us to show that we're meeting good governance during Agile. And I think working with CDPS is a really good way for us to make sure that we're staying on top of whatever the latest insights into good governance for our Agile projects are, and also to learn what other people are doing and share what we've done.